Electronic delivery could actually be costing you business. Paul, I know everyone wants to move toward that, but what's the disadvantages of instant delivery or rapid delivery?
Okay, well, let's talk about some of the advantages first, and we'll talk about some of the disadvantages because there is a lot of wonderful innovations going on in the life insurance world. Less blood and pyramid,
Mhm.
a lot more seamless on the underwriting.
Making it easier.
Yeah, the issuance of policies getting much faster instead of 6, 8 weeks to issue a policy, and now the client, the value of it's kind of worn off now. You're able to deliver something to them much quicker. But the first thing that happens with electronic delivery is kind of out of sight, out of mind.
Mhm.
Okay. Um, I have actually a policy right here, Troy, that we're going to deliver to a client. And what does that say right there at the top of the letter?
On top, it says your policy is a valuable asset.
Okay. And that is what you want to communicate with your client more than any other thing. It is a financial asset. And the more you can get them to see it, feel it, touch it, the more they're going to value it. Okay. The other thing we want to do is at policy delivery, when we do it personally and we had deliver a hard copy policy, number one, the client can place that somewhere where their beneficiaries are going to know where that policy is at when that day comes one day. Okay. The last thing we want to do is have a client buy a policy, they pass away one day, and the beneficiary doesn't even know the policy exists or where to find it or what company it was with.
Mhm.
Okay. The other thing is when you do an electronic delivery, and there's less value perceived with it, then it gets down to cost. Then their brother-in-law gets in the business and says, "Well, I sell life insurance. Can I look at your policy?" And with one click of a button, they can send it to them. And all of a sudden, they look at it and they go, "Well, I could do something better for you, right?" So you invite competition, and you could lose more business that way.
I think you hit a really good point earlier when you said it's in person. If you're just doing an e-delivery, there's no physical contact. There's no name with the face. It's just electronic. And guess what? If you do that, yes, you can get paid faster. Yes, there's advantages like we talked about, but you will also be forgotten about rather quickly.
Right. The other thing I like to do, Troy, when I meet with my clients is go over the policy, review why we bought it to begin with, okay?
Mhm.
But then I want to also go over all the financial benefits that are within the policy because it's more than just a death benefit nowadays, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And a lot of the clients, they don't even know that when they get it. Just like when you buy a house. How many people read all the pages that you got to sign? Hardly anyone. It's the same with the life policy. It's important to take that time, like Paul said, to go over the policy to make sure they understand all the benefits that this policy is offering.
Last thing I'd like to add is this, Troy. When you deliver it personally, you've met their financial needs. They better understand it. They value it. Do you think maybe that's a great time to ask for referrals?
That's one of the things I was going to bring up too, is that if you e-deliver it, you're not getting referrals. If you meet with them in person, deliver that policy, go over it, they're going to find value in that and they're going to want to refer you to their friends and family.
Okay. Last thing I'd like to add is if this is resonating with you, if you're saying, yeah, that makes sense, I'd love to learn how to drive more business from my current sales and get more referrals, reach out to us. Or better yet, attend our Life and Annuity Expo March 9th and 10th. March 9th is our Top Gun event, followed by our all-day expo on March 10th, starting at 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Come learn some advanced sales concepts to drive your business to the next level. But until then, happy selling.